In this video, we will explore the FIS MPO-VFL Easy Tester Kit and demonstrate how it's a valuable tool for technicians to verify polarity, continuity, and macro bends within an MPO optical system. The FIS MPO-VFL Easy Tester Kit is a simple-to-use, rugged, and highly responsive MPO visual fault locator. It features a 3.2-inch outdoor enhanced color touchscreen, allowing technicians to test MPO cables and locate fiber breaks easily. The MPO-VFL uses 650 nanometer visible light and has multiple laser output sequences: auto, manual scan, and all on. Available in 12 or 16 channel configurations and works for both single mode and multi-mode fiber. And the tester kit includes an optical polarity verifier. On the left side of the MPO port is the USB-C port to charge the battery that lasts for more than 40 hours of operational time. To inspect MPO fibers, take the MPO cable and put it into the MPO port. Next, turn on the unit. Now the technician can choose a mode: auto, manual scan, or all on. To turn on the visible light, select from the drop-down menu: disable, enable, or blink. Note that every time the technician changes the mode, the visible light automatically turns off. If the manual scan mode is chosen, the technician can use the touchscreen to select the channels or the arrows on the screen. To purchase the FIS MPO-VFL Easy Tester Kit, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-5000-FIS.